Hello, hello, hello mga mi. Ito nga po palang first NSA holiday of Ate Mina and Brother David. So samahan niyo po kami sa aming paglalaro today. And we will see kung kaya ko pang pumalo after 6 months of not playing golf. And this is 30 minutes drive from home. Medyo malayo pero okay lang kasi actually yung last minute decision ko kung saan kami maglalaro. Ito lang yung may sumagot sa inquiry ko. And good thing hindi sila mahigpit sa booking or tea time. Anytime na pumunta ka, pwede kang pumunta and just line up para makati off ka. And hindi ko alam na kapag tumawag ka pala, you have to book for buggy or golf cart. Hi, we're here in Chamberlain Park, public golf course. Ate Mina and I will be playing. We'll see the course.
Have a buggy or what?
At the back.
Has he got a
Ready
buggy?
to play golf?
Do
Sorry?
you have a buggy?
Yeah, we have a one only.
Let's go.
There's no available buggy. Yeah. Naka-ready na oh. Palong-palo na. For my first international golf. With my sister. And goodness sir, di palong-palo na siya.
Palo.
It's like T number 1 and T number 10 is only in 1 T-box.
Iba talaga ang pakaramdam no kapag nakaapa ka sa fairway. Stretching muna tayo para din masakit ang katawan after the game.
Uy, may twinny din sila. Di, ate gaya ka na. Twinny. Twinny
May
ka.
pumapalok pa eh.
Oh, twinny. Twinny.
Hindi, naka-video to.
Okay, thanks.
Kaya nga, look at the tee box. It's that the hole number 10 and the hole number 1 is same tee box. And one only, it's only one tee box, white only.
Ayan yung sun ko.
Maganda ng mga swing nyo. Ako ang maganda.
Let's go. Patap. Hirap po ma. Talagang umaano.
Ganito mo.
Pwede. Sabi ko sa'yo,
First time.
paghawak ko pa lang eh.
First time to mag-golf.
Sabi ko sa'yo, paghawak ko pa lang hindi siya.
First time mag-golf kaya.
Hindi siya.
Tingnan natin. Try mo to yung driver ni Boots, baka yun ang mas maipapalo mo.
Boats, malayo ka sa ano. Yan. Yan.
First time mag-fairway niyan. Okay, good shot.
Ang liit nito. Ang ano.
Yun sa yung driver.
Hindi ako pwede ng driver.
Means you are not comfortable to use my lady driver.
Ayaw ko ng driver mo. Yung kay Boots, ang gawin mo. Nice shot. Ano hole yan? Okay, let's go.
Parang left to right yan.
Pero yung damo left to right.
Opo, dyan, ano mo pa ba yung green? Iba yung klase ng green.
Ayan no, tingnan mo oh.
Okay. Kunin ko yung repair ko.
Ay, akwa lang mauuna. Hindi na ako marunong mag-golf.
Baliktad, di ba? Left to right.
Papuka.
Targetin mo yung shadow.
Accept mo, Boots.
Isa pa din. Isa pa. Yun, shoot na!
No.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
Sarap siya. Ang bagal ano?
Dapat sa ano kasi
Oh!
We are now in hole number 4, part 3. Oh no! Bakit kasi sa harap pa siya dumaan? Waiting. This is par 4, hole number 4, part 3. 121 yards. Yes. Yun! That's it! Busy ang course today. Ano ba sa Sunday? And it's still holiday. Okay, good. Turn. Short backswing na lang yan. Kasi maiksi ka na. Good. First time yan mag-fairway. Cutter lang. Akin yung pitching. Number 6, par 4. Quite long. For about 330 yards. Maulit niya yung napakagandang drive pa niya. Oy, taka lang, sa right ka naka-aim. Aim left di. Aim left pa. Yan. That's it. Oh, ang lakas na. Ay nako, kumanan ang lakas.
Talaga si Puts ah.
Ang lakas ng palo niya.
lakas ng busa.
That's hole number 10. Ganda here. There's no red. Ako nakita mo puro pink tayo.
Puts, may
Pwede na. That's different. Different ano yan natagay ko. Hole.
pasang pa tayo.
Ayun o. Doon sa may puno o. Daming players today. Hapon na kasi. Enjoying the whole time. Golf course is very different ambience talaga. And we have also the special playmate. There are free balls here. You can get from there. Look, there are free balls. And over there also. Yeah, there are free balls. Andiyan. Tapos susunod na lang yan. Ang daming ibon oh. Okay. Ang lalaki pa. Kala ko chicken. Kakatayin ko na sana. Ang daming ibon. Ang lalaki. Kala ko chicken. We are now in the 17th hole. Par 3. May pating birdie oh. It's all finally we finish hitting holes. Just walk without taking cart. Good thing walang available na cart kasi hitting holes. Kasi kung may available na cart, wala. Hindi siya maglalakad. Buti na lang. Good thing that's not available here. Ayun, paakyat. Ate Gay, pasuyo ng driver please. And this is it. Naglaro nga po pala kami dito. Wala kaming caddy. So help yourself talaga. And isa lang yung golf cart. Kasi hindi ako nakapagpa-reserve. But anyway, thankful kasi nakapaglaro kami. Napakaganda ng weather. Plus, hindi namin napansin, naka-twinny rin pala sila ng color, yung mga partner namin. Pero kami talaga ni Ate Gay, nag-usap kami na magpipink kami pareho. And, yun. Tapos yung dalawa naka-blue pala. Late na namin napansin nung nag-pictorial na lang. Iba talaga yung relaxation kapag nakapaglaro ka kasi yun na yung nakasanayan ng katawan and yung mindset mo na golf is anti-stress talaga. And we had a good bonding, we had a good scenery, nakapag-walk, iba yung dating, as in. Medyo nakakalito yung fairway or yung greens kasi you have to follow the maps. Kapag hindi mo naintindihan yung maps, marurong hole ka. Anyway, gano'n naman talaga kapag naglaro ka ng first time na walang nag-guide sa'yo. And, syempre, iba yung datingan kapag pumapalo ka. Iba yung experience, iba yung feeling. Thank you for watching mga